Good morning, dear friends. Last class I told about fundamental and basic points of analytical geometry. At the same time, before that, I have finished all types of algebraic formulas and theory of indices. Today, I'll tell you about fundamentals and basic points of polynomials. Polynomial means the standard definition of polynomials is polynomial. Polynomial definition is an expression of the form f of or p of x is equal to a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to and so on plus an x to the power of n minus n. Or we can write this like this, that is the p of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to and so on plus an x to the power of n minus 1 means 0. Next step we can write here p of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to and so on plus an x to the power of 0 always equal to 1. We discussed about this formula in theory of indices, that is a power 0 is always equal to 1 where a is not equal to 0. According to that formula we can write instead of x power 0 as 1. Last final step becomes p of x is equal to a naught x to the power of n plus a1 x to the power of n minus 1 plus a2 x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to and so on plus an. This is the standard form of expression of polynomial, where a naught is not equal to 0 here. At the same time, a naught comma a1 comma a2 comma up to and so on an are real numbers ಇದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನಲ್ಲಿ. ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 into x to the power of n minus 2 plus up to and so on plus an is called a polynomial expression, where a naught is not equal to 0. Remaining they may zeros or they may not zeros, but where a naught comma a1 a2 up to and so on an are the real numbers with nth degree ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial, biquadratic polynomial, like that we will say different types of polynomials here. But all these polynomials, they are depending upon their degrees. According to degree of polynomial, we are going to giving name of the polynomial to the given polynomials. Like that, it is the polynomial in the variable x. Here x is called variable and a naught, a1, a2 up to and so on an are some constants, like they are all real numbers. See here, and afterwards for polynomial examples for polynomials, you can take any example. You can take any example with any degree. Those are all called polynomials here. Examples for polynomials I'll tell you now. examples for polynomials. Number 1, x plus 3, it is also one polynomial. Second, x square plus 2x plus 5, it is also one polynomial. Third, 2x cube plus 3x square plus 6x plus 5, it is also one polynomial. Or you can take one more example for a polynomial, 2x power 4 plus 5x cube plus 6x square plus 7x plus 10, it is also one polynomial. You can take any one example, you can take any polynomial, whatever it may be, that is a polynomial. That should be in the form of standard form of polynomial. Like those expressions are called polynomials. Based on that, I gave some examples for polynomials here. Next, discuss about what is the degree of polynomial. Based on that degree only, we are going to giving different types of polynomials here. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial is the highest power of variable. The highest power of variable polynomial is called degree of the polynomial. That is the highest degree, the highest power, the highest power of variable is occurring or present, is occurring the highest power of the variable is occurring in the polynomial, is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial. Imagine any expression, in that expression which is the highest power, that is that degree of the polynomial. ನೆಮಿಸಿ ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ರೆ ಆ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಗೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಇದೆಯೋ ಆ ಪವರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದ್ದ ಯಾವ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಈಸಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಬಹುದು. By taking some examples, easily we can analyze, easily we can understand how to find out degree of the polynomial here. Example. First one is x plus 3 is there. In this x plus 3, power variable is there, x is there. Upon that variable side, there is no nothing, means we must consider power is 1. That's what in this case degree is equal to here 1. Like that, highest power is there in that polynomial, means that is the degree of that polynomial. ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಗೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಆ ಪವರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ದಾಟ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್, by observing the powers of variables, which variable having the highest power in numbers, that power is called degree of that polynomial. Next one is, and some more examples for degree of polynomials here. Next one is 2x square first. Second example is 2x square plus. Second example for to find the degree of polynomial. Second question, p of x is equal to 2x square plus 4x plus 5 is there. In this polynomial degree, just by observing the powers of variables here, x square is there. For the next term, power of x is 1. Now for last constant 5, there is no variable. If there is no variable means you may consider that x power 0 also, no problem, otherwise leave it. Here 2x square is there, and this highest power of variable is 2. That's what degree is equal to here 2. Next, some more. Third question is p of x is equal to 4x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 5 is there. In this highest power of variable is 3. That's what in this polynomial degree is equal to 3 here. Degree is equal to 3 here. Fourth, p of x is equal to 5x to the power of 4, 4x cube, 2x plus 9. In this polynomial, if you can observe, all the powers of variables are here 4, 3, 1, last one is 0. That's what here among all those numbers 4 is the biggest, and it is also considered as the highest power of the variable here in this polynomial. Therefore, degree of this polynomial is 4. Degree is equal to here 4. ಇದರ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಪವರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗಿದೆಯೋ ಆ ಪವರ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್. ಇದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಥರ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಥರ ಬೈ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್, ಈ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈಸಿ ಅರ್ಥವಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ expression of polynomials, expression, in which case we are telling constant polynomial, in which case we are telling quadratic polynomials, cubic polynomials and biquadratic polynomials. To represent all these four, I will give you one table. By taking the table, easily we can analyze and understand which type of polynomial according to by taking degrees. Here first column is degree, ಆಮೇಲೆ expression of polynomial, expression of a polynomial here, expression of polynomial, expression of a polynomial. Last one is name of the polynomial, name of the polynomial, name of the polynomial. Name of the polynomial first. Next one is when degree is 0, when degree is 1, what are the names to the polynomials according to their degrees? By taking this table, easily we can analyze and understood well. Degree d is equal to 0. We represent capital D is the degree. Expression constant k, where k is not equal to 0 here. Independent numbers other than 0, 10, 5, 100, 50, 60, like those numbers are called constant. Expression of polynomial is constant and name of the polynomial is called constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Next, degree. D is equal to 1. Degree is equal to 1. D. Expression of polynomial is ax plus b, where a is not equal to 0. In this case, we are calling a linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Next, d is equal to 2. Degree is equal to 2 here. D is equal to means expression of polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c, where a is not equal to 0. This polynomial is called quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. D is equal to 3. D is equal to 3. Expression ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, where a is not equal to 0. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Next, last one is d is equal to 4. D is equal to 4. X power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Here also a is not equal to 0 here. The biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial this is. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. These are the expressions of polynomials according to the degrees. The table is very important because by observing, by taking this table, easily we can tell the polynomial is which type of polynomial according to their degrees. If degree is 0 means constant polynomial. If degree is equal to 1 means linear polynomial. If degree is equal to 2 means quadratic polynomial. If degree is equal to 3 means cubic polynomial. If degree is equal to 4 means biquadratic polynomial. Like that we have different types of polynomials here. And even before that I told some examples also. According to degrees we are calling and we are telling these types of polynomials. Now let us we'll discuss some examples for constant, linear, quadratic, cubic and biquadratic polynomials here. See here next. It's now examples for polynomials. Examples for polynomials based on their degrees. Number 1. P of x is equal to 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3. It is the which type of polynomial we can tell this. First to check this here, upside of x is degree is 1. That's what here degree is equal to 1. When degree is equal to 1 means this is linear polynomial. This is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial this is. Next one is second question, second example. P of x is equal to some constant k here, otherwise some 10. But here we don't have any variable here. That's what we can consider this. P of x is equal to, you can consider 10 into x power 0. 10 into x power 0. Here at the side of 10 there is no nothing means you consider as 1 here. Instead of 1 we can write x power 0. That's what degree is equal to here how much we have? 0. Degree is equal to 0. Whenever degree is equal to 0 means we are calling it is the constant polynomial. It is the constant polynomial. Constant polynomial this is. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಈ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಹೇಳಬಹುದಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಪವರು 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಆ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಲ್ ನಾವು ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ 10 ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬದಲಿಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ 1 ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಆವಾಗ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ನಮಗೆ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೆನೆವರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ that polynomial is always called as constant polynomial. Next come to some other different polynomials here. Next third question, third example, P of x is equal to 4x cube plus 2x plus 5. Here in this polynomial highest power is 3. That's what we can tell here. Degree is equal to 3 here. Degree is equal to 3. Therefore, whenever degree is equal to 3, this polynomial is a cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial this is. Cubic polynomial. Next, fourth. ಈ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಲಿ 4x ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2x ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ 3 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಈ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಲ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. whenever degree is 3 means that polynomial is called a cubic polynomial. Next, fourth question, P of x is equal to 5x square plus 2x plus 10. In this polynomial the highest power is 2. First, whenever if you want to move to give the name of the polynomial means before that you must and should check the degree of polynomial. Based on that degree of polynomial only we can allot the name of the polynomial to the given polynomial. According to those conditions here, degree is equal to here. Degree is equal to 2 here. That's why this polynomial is it is a quadratic polynomial. It's a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial this is. Fifth question, next example, fifth. ಈ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಕ್ವಶನಲ್ಲಿ degree is 2. Whenever degree is 2 means it is the quadratic polynomial. Next, fifth question. Fifth example. P of x equal to 2x power 4 plus 10x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 9. In this polynomial, the highest power is 4. That's what the degree of this polynomial is 4. Whenever degree of this polynomial 4 means, we can call it as this biquadratic polynomial now. And degree is equal to here. Degree is equal to 4. That's why what we are calling this, it is a biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomial this is. Biquadratic polynomial this is. Like that we are going to giving names of polynomials based on their degrees. Next we will see that different types of polynomials. What is reducible and what is the irreducible and what is the rational fraction. First, rational fraction. Rational fraction or rational function. Rational function. What is rational fraction and what is rational function? This is the functions are of the form. The functions or the polynomials of the form. Function nothing but here polynomial. The functions of the form f of x by g of x. F of x by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. The functions of the form f of x by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0, are called rational functions. Are called rational functions. Are called rational functions. Or we can call it them rational fractions also, because they are in the type of fraction. That's what we are calling that rational fractions. F of x by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0, then those types of fractions or functions are called rational fractions. Examples. But here we must also take g of x is always not equal to 0. When g of x is equal to 0, it is undefined. That's why in a mathematics, if we can say rational numbers or rational fractions, the denominator part must and should is always not equal to 0. If we can take like that, then only we are calling them with the term rational. Otherwise, we can't call them. Mathematics ಒಳಗೆ g of x ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ಕೆಲವು 2/3 f/c ಆ ಥರ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆರುವಂಥ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ g of x ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಆ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 0 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ರೇಷನಲ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆರ್ ರೇಷನಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ example number 1, x plus 2 whole dividing by 2x square plus 3x plus 5. Or one more example, second, x square 3x square plus 5x plus 9 whole dividing by 2x plus 9. Or we can give some more examples also for this. Third example, 5 by x plus 2. It is also one rational fraction. Fourth example, x plus 5 by 10. It is also one rational fraction. Like that we can give polynomial by polynomial. When if we can see this, polynomial by polynomial means we are calling that it is always a rational function or a rational fraction. Next we'll see this what is reducible and what is irreducible. What is reducible polynomial and irreducible polynomial? Reducible. Reducible polynomial. What is reducible polynomial here? What is reducible polynomial and irreducible polynomial? Reducible means any polynomial can be converted into product of factors, then we are calling that polynomials are called reducible polynomials. Any polynomial you can take, that polynomial must and should converted into product of factors. For example, see here, x square plus 5x plus 4 is there. Is it converted into product of factors or not? Let us be checking here. It is, we considered p of x. P of x equal to, we can consider this as 1 into x square plus 5x plus 4. For its last terms, 1 into 4. 1 into 4, 4. Factors for 4. 4 and 1. Because how I selected 4 and 1 for 4 is, sum of these two 5 should get and product of these two 4. ಈ ಎರಡು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ 4 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಂಟು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 4 ಬರಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. According to that, 4 plus 1, 5, 4 into 1, 4. That's what easily we can convert it into product of factors. That is the p of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus x plus 4. It is p of x equal to, from these to take x common, then you will get x plus 4 plus remaining is x plus 4. P of x is equal to, and again take x plus 4, take common, you will get remained is x plus 1 here. Here there is no nothing means you consider that number as 1 and again take x plus 4 as common, then you will get x plus 1. Like that, if you can convert it into product of factors, then that is the reducible polynomial. Like that, here we got two factors for the given polynomial. They are x plus 4 into x plus 1. That is, x plus 4 is one factor and x plus 1 also one factor. It is a one linear factor, it is also one linear factor. That's what we converted this quadratic polynomial into product of two linear factors polynomial. Like those polynomials are called reducible polynomials. That's what easily we can give definition for reducible polynomial is, any polynomial can be converted into product of polynomials, then we can call those polynomials called reducible polynomial or factorizable. Easily factorization, we can call it also factorizable polynomial. Next, irreducible polynomial. Irreducible polynomial. Like this. If any polynomial does not convert into product of factors, product of polynomials, then we can call it as irreducible polynomial. Example for irreducible polynomial is x square plus 2x plus 10. We can't convert them into product of polynomials. That's why these types of polynomials called irreducible polynomials. Next class I'll tell you about how to resolve into partial fractions. At the same time I'll tell you different types of problems on polynomials. Thank you very much.